Hey, you guys, happy Monday. We're having fun over here, laughing and joking, having a good time. O is for off, just in case you wanted to know. It's a conversation Vicky and I just had. Anywho, that's what it stands for. So, it's time for a large sign carvers of the day, and I'm pounding on the table again. Back to my old, I'm back to my old habits. Table is kind of rickety. We got some work to do on this table. We'll be doing that soon. The bench is kind of going bad, but we got a new tool that I think you guys are going to really like. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. Sign carvers of the day. Here we go. Bruce Peter. This is my guy that came to one of our seminars a few years ago. Now he's teaching more classes than we are. So he only used 2 tools on this sign. He used a router and a sander. No bandsaw, no drill press. All the holes are cut with a router. Pretty cool, huh? Bruce is amazing. Great job, buddy. All right, Kelsey Plank, very first sign. Pretty darn cool for a first sign. Did I say Kelsey? I meant Casey. Casey, is that what it says?
It says Casey.
Casey. Great job, Casey. I love it. Very, very. That's tough to do, especially for your first sign. Terrific job. Jonathan Tullock. Not a surprise here. Look at that thing. How cool is that? Well, I like doing this out here. I can see the signs without having to look over the top. Great job, Jonathan. This is aromatic cedar with the Czar spray polyurethane that I use. Great job, Jonathan. Scott Gill. So this is one of his first signs. Red metallic resin and glow-in-the-dark resin on the lizard. Lizard. Yeah, my mouth's not working this morning. Anyway, great job. Terrific job, Scott. I love it. Brian Terrell. Or it could be Tyrell.
Is that him?
I really don't know. I don't know. Great job, though. I love that chopper. Very cool. Those are some cool lines, too. Great job, Brian. Excellent. Dodie?
Oh, yeah, that's the gal I talked to.
Neuenfeld.
Her and her husband are the one, they carve signs together.
Okay, that's the one you were telling me about the other day. So she knows all about upside down ends. She watched it on the video. So does she have upside down ends here? Yes, she does. So after she did this, she found out they were upside down.
And her husband is Thomas. And I believe he's an artist. He does like paintings. I'm not sure if he did that one, but he does paintings and stuff like that. Painting.
Terrific job. So the light colored photo is footprints in the sand of his son and his wife. Very cool.
Dodie is
beautiful. Dodie is the wife, and Thomas is the husband. Great job, you guys. Curtis Bailey.
Wow, that's cool.
Isn't that cool? Very cool. I think that, I'm not sure if that's it looks like our layout template, but I love the version. It looks like epoxy to me.
Yeah.
Beautiful job, Curtis. Love it. By the way, this group is going to take us up through the first week of July.
Holy moly, look at that.
David Martin for a Scottish couple. This is approximately 24 by 18 by 1.5 inches thick. Made from 5 different kinds of hardwoods. Crazy. David does amazing stuff. I think David's in Australia, if I remember right. Terrific job, David, as always. Butch White. So this is for his daughter and son-in-law. Very, very nice. Love it. Great job, Butch. Andy Earl. I know Andy. So, and it's getting on college football season. So you guys that down in the South, Alabama fans, now's the time to make a bunch of Alabama signs for Christmas gifts. Great job, Andy, as always. All right, I got it.
Folks are revving up for the fairs and the shows.
Yeah, yeah. I got a great email from somebody this morning that did his first show.
Nice, look at that.
Roger Sofa.
Bent forward, I can't see the CD.
Oh, I'm sorry. So this is for himself, I think. This is Linda Ballard's father.
Oh, really?
He started carving signs.
Wow.
And this is for himself. And he served in the Air Force for over 20 years. And I think this is his second sign. But that's Linda and Chuck. That's Linda's father. Great job, Roger. Love it. Beautiful work. Lou Bryan. Been carving for about 5 months. Love it. Another great thing to do coming into the Christmas season for obvious reasons. Great job, Lou. Paul Heelman, I think. Been carving for about a year. I love it. Beautiful. Nice images there. I like it. Those are our Clarendon letters, I think. Looks like probably about 1.5 inches. Great job, Paul. Bill Bone. Third sign. Very nice. Very nice. Hope you're having fun with it, Bill. Great job. Doug Kelly. Very first sign.
Wow, very nice.
For a first sign, it's incredible. Beautiful, beautiful work. You got a knack for this, Doug. Great job. Robert Glenn. Very first sign again. Nice artwork in the corners. Very nicely done. Great job, Robert. Brian Zelmer. So this is kind of interesting. He has a busy road that he lives on, and every month he does a different theme down at the end of his driveway. Huh. So this sets at the end of his driveway, if I understood his email right, and every month it changes to a different theme, and then he puts the sign on there. How cool is that? Great job, Brian. Good idea, too. Great way to get the word out. Joyce Ann Van Pelt.
Joyce Ann, she said.
Yeah, love it.
I love those letters.
That font is called Driftwood. I think somebody, if I remember right, I didn't write it down, but I remember that somebody sent it to her, that font, so she could print it out. Great job, Joyce. Mike Crow, cedar fencing with Czar finish. Nice border of that barbed wire there. Nice images on there. Good job, Mike. Yeah, the flies are a-buzzing. Got one. I'm buzzing around my head here. Bob Castro, 10th sign. Beautiful. Beautiful board. Love it. Great job, Bob. Annette Tucker. So you can see what Annette did here. Even though the signs aren't real big, she got a lot of them in one picture. Because you guys know I can only show one picture. So if you want multiple signs, you want me to show multiple signs, put them all in one group like that, and I'll show them all in one shot. Great job, Annette. Bert Graham. Going to be seeing Bert in about a month. Yeah. Bert really specializes in these big ranch signs. Does a terrific job on them. I love it. Great job, Bert. Beautiful. Doug Powell.
Wow.
Runs a dog rescue, and this was for a silent auction fundraiser. How cool is that? I love it. So that's, again, another great way to get your work out there, guys, is donate to these auctions, and a lot of people will see your work. It's a great way to get the word out. Great job, Doug. I love it. Keith Rochelle, 1x12 red oak from Home Depot. This is his 10th sign. I love it. That's a happy little crab there. Dig it. Great job on the fish, too. The color just makes so much difference. Great job, Keith. Love it. Bob Hatch. Looky there. We were just talking to Bob. So check this out. These are 3 by 3, 3 foot by 3 foot. He made one of them, and they came back and ordered 6 more. And these are in game wardens' offices throughout the state of Maine. Bob Hatch is the poster boy for filling a niche. That guy, and you know what? He deserves it because he works very hard at getting the word out. I know he has email lists where he emails hundreds, if not thousands, of people at a time showing his signs, and they're all kind of in the game warden, the forestry people. Yeah, great job, Bob. Van Devers lives near Washington, D.C. and does a lot of military, and that's a big niche for him. Check those out. Again, that's another example of having multiple signs on one picture. Great, great niche. Terrific job, Van. Love it. Gary Edwards. And this is for himself because he served in the Air Force.
Tactical Air Command?
Yes, Tactical Air Command. So I think that's his patch, and he used that to make the layout for the sign.
Very nice.
Terrific job, Gary. Love it. Michael Shirley. So
is that resin on there?
It's not. He used a shower loofah and did the paint effect with a loofah sponge, and you've seen that before, but I think it looks just spectacular. Awesome. Doesn't that look cool? So he did all of his carving, sanded it off, and then colored the front of the sign. Very nice. I think it's very, very cool, very unique. Great job, Michael. Gary Zellner. This is for a local coffee shop.
Nickel bean.
And he used a round nose, or what I call a core box bit, for the background. Very unique. Looks terrific. Great job, Gary. Last but not least, Donna Beckenmeyer. I think Donna tunes into our live shows on Fridays quite a bit. This is her first big commercial sign.
Good job, Donna.
3 foot by 5 foot. That's a big sign. Great job, Donna. I think that's probably her, but I'm not sure, honestly. Great job, Donna. Love it. Great group, you guys. You guys are just killing it out there. So don't forget, send me pictures if you've got pictures, but I can only do one per person per month. So if you sent me one in the last 30 days, wait until it's, and if you need, if you don't remember the date you sent it to me, let me know and I can look that up. So this again is through, I think, like the end of the first week of July. So we're hanging in there. I'll do another one before too long, but we got a lot of projects coming up too. So remember too, guys, if you want to see all of the sign carvers of the day over the last couple of years, they're all linked in the description below over to the Facebook page, and they're in the albums SCOTD 1 through 4, I think. And I feel a sneeze coming. I'm not sure whether I can divert it or not. I think I'm okay for the moment. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. We love you. The same spiel as always. There's the website if you need something. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe, and don't forget to click the little bell icon so you get notified. We do videos 3 times a week. We'll be going live on Friday, I'm sure, if everything holds out right. Last couple Fridays have been pretty good because we're using the iPhone now, so, and our signal seems to be holding up. So I guess that's about it. We got some cool projects coming up, so hang with us, guys. We got lots of cool stuff coming up, exciting times. So don't forget, Christmas is right around the corner. Start gearing up for that. Hope you guys are doing well. Have a great week. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.